Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off active on Instagram now to appear offline. So if you don't want your friends or anyone else to know that you're on Instagram, then you can actually turn this off, and I'll show you how you can do that, and this will work on Android and iOS as well. So first of all, you want to click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner on your profile page. Next up, click on settings, and then in here you can actually find the setting to do this. So there are two different ways. I'll just show you the easiest one, and the easiest one is to hit the search bar right there and then search for active. Okay, so once you do that, you'll find your activity status, okay? And you want to click on that. So choose, let me do this. Yeah, choose that one right there. Once you do that, you should be able to disable this right there. And by doing that, you will actually turn off your activity or your active now on Instagram, which means that right now, no one will know that you're online, so you can actually appear offline. So if this quick tutorial helps you out, I would appreciate it if you can leave a like on the video. That would help me out, and let me know in the comment section down below if this works for you. If not, I'll try and fix that, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more valuable and quick tutorials that will solve your problems online. So if this video helps you out, make sure you go do that, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.